Welcome to 989 Iota Place. This gorgeous new build is nestled in the Olympic View area and has a number of features designed to elevate everyday living. Today, we're going to do a tour of the home and go into more detail about some of the features that truly set it apart. Starting in the grand entryway, we have 18-foot ceilings with a stunning pendant light chandelier that is modern, elegant, and makes a statement while still being timeless. The pendant lights have a nature-inspired design element that ties in nicely with the home and the Olympic View area, which offers the best of urban amenities and access to nature. The glass railing that you saw there is a ½ inch thick and beautifully complements the space. This first bedroom is currently staged as an office, and as you can see here, there is a generously sized closet, which is perfect for whatever you decide to use this room for. This entryway closet offers ample space for jackets, shoes, and other storage. You'll notice the built-in organizers and motion detector lights, which are a part of every closet in this home. I absolutely love this feature as well as the amount of built-in storage options to keep this space functional and organized. Moving into the powder room, this slate blue feature wall is a color that is carried throughout the home and pairs perfectly with the brushed bronze hardware and gold and black accents. Something I love about this home is the unique details that aren't commonly recognized in new builds and make it feel like it was custom built for its future owners. And just around the corner is another thoughtfully designed storage area tucked away off the garage entry. You have a 2-car garage in addition to an elongated driveway, so plenty of space for parking and guests. I left this door open to show the crawl space access. You have 1,580 square feet of unfinished crawl space, which is amazing for storage and a nice feature as opposed to the main living space sitting directly on concrete slab foundation, which is quite common in new builds. Moving through the open concept main living space, this gas fireplace is another design choice that perfectly complements the aesthetic of this home. I love the subtle blend of rustic elements with a modern take, especially with this panoramic view of the backyard, which I will talk about later in the video. The builder truly thought of every detail, and something you might not think about that can make a big difference is there are a generous number of media outlets in this home to accommodate for different room layouts. Moving into the kitchen, we have this work nook. It would also be a great recipe station if you're using a tablet. We see the deep blue feature color for the island cabinetry and brushed bronze hardware continued, and thoughtfully paired with this gorgeous gray brick facade backsplash and quartz countertops. This large kitchen is perfect for entertaining. You have this extremely convenient butler pantry with its own overhead air vent, sink, and cup washer, as well as a sweep-in feature with the central vacuum system, wired-in speakers and dimmer lights across the main floor. The home is set up to be a smart home should you choose to program it that way. And as you can see, the dining area could easily fit a 6 or 8 person table and opens up to the stamped concrete patio. The windows in this home are complete with blinds, and there is going to be an additional blind put up over here going up the stairs. Some of the other upscale features in this home to note are the floor has cork underlay, every individual room has its own heating and cooling with a Daikin cassette, and all the interior walls are also insulated. Moving up to the second floor, we have this linen closet and bedroom. This home was built by a level 1 builder with Pacific Home Warranty and a Step 4 EnerGuide Gold Star rating, so you have that additional peace of mind that the home was built to the highest standards of energy, efficiency, and quality. Across the hall, we have a bathroom with this shower tub combo, bright and neutral with the brushed bronze and black accents. This fantastic laundry room offers counter and sink space, tons of storage, and has these hanger rods. The second bedroom on the upper floor is off to the side here. And now the primary bedroom. Another feature wall, this time with some diagonal paneling for a more elevated look, this gorgeous accent lighting. The primary bedroom also has dimmer lights, a solid door, and you are going to absolutely love the walk-in closet. This closet is around 10 by 9.5 feet, and the built-ins are a dream. Going into the ensuite, we have a water closet for added privacy. You'll see these luxurious design elements coming together, a super wide counter with partner sinks, stand-in waterfall shower and tub. As you can see, there is frosted glass here. However, this window is private, so the buyers will have the option of replacing this with clear glass, in which case you'd have that view of the greenery outside, or you could keep the frosted for an even more secluded feel. The final touches of this home are still being completed, and you'll see the team is busy working outside. The same builder is also working on the house next door, which will be completed not long after this one. Separating the two homes is this metal fence being put up, as well as raised flower beds with this beautiful stonework. And those metal panels you can see in the garage will be put up along the right side of this home's driveway. We are going into the suite now, a 2-bedroom above garage suite. There is double drywall and insulation above the garage. The suite also includes air conditioning, closet organizers, and motion lights, and has media outlets in every room. We have a great size entryway closet here. As you can tell, I am a big fan of built-in storage. You've also got your stacked in-suite laundry. And moving into the main living space of the suite, it is super bright. We have the same quartz countertops, but with black hardware throughout. Having the 2-bedroom suite is a huge bonus for this house, whether you're looking to use it for live-in family, guests, or for additional income. And taking a look at each of the bedrooms here, both have a generously sized closet. Unlike other new builds in the area, this home sits on 7,000 square feet, so you have a great sized backyard. And to my right, where you can see this chain link fence currently, there are going to be western red cedar trees planted, which grow up to 2 feet a year, so you'll have that additional privacy already taken care of. The yard is also plumbed for irrigation. You have both hot and cold taps outside, and there is that stamped concrete patio off the main level dining room, which I mentioned earlier. And that's the tour. I hope you enjoyed this overview of 989 Iota Place. My name is Ricky Lee Jewell with the North Pacific Homes Group, and if you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching.